Coconut muffins with lemon glaze are not only a delicious morning treat, but also a wonderful way to add an exotic flavor to your culinary routine. Coconut flour used in the recipe is an excellent source of fiber and protein, as well as a low-carb product. Making coconut muffins with lemon glaze starts with choosing high-quality ingredients. When purchasing coconut flour, look for an organic product without additives or preservatives. When selecting lemons, opt for ripe, heavy fruits with bright yellow skin. Use freshly squeezed lemon juice to make the glaze to add brightness and freshness to the muffins. 1. Preheat the oven to 180 C350F. In a large bowl, whisk together coconut flour, baking powder, salt, and lemon zest. 2. In another bowl, mix eggs, honey, and vanilla extract. Gradually add this mixture to the dry ingredients and mix well to form a smooth batter. 3. Pour the batter into muffin cups lined with paper liners, filling them about 2/3 full. 4. Bake the muffins in the preheated oven for about 20–25 minutes or until golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 5. While the muffins are cooling, prepare the glaze. Mix powdered sugar with lemon juice and water until smooth. 6. Drizzle each muffin with the cooled glaze and allow it to set before serving. Coconut muffins with lemon glaze are not only a fantastic dessert for your breakfasts and tea parties, but also a great alternative to regular muffins. Thanks to coconut flour, these muffins are more nutritious and suitable for those following a healthy lifestyle.